In Module 1, we are teaching students different strategies to add and subtract quickly. Eventually, these strategies will move off of pencil and paper and go straight to mental math. In mental math, these strategies are very important because it will help them be a better individual at mathematics and will help later on in life. The first strategy that we're talking about in this video is called making 10. With making 10, it's exactly what it sounds like. Your goal is to take one of the numbers, and in this case we usually say the biggest number, and try and make a 10 out of it. To do this, we have to decompose the smaller number. To decompose, you put your upside down V, or as they call it in English, a caret, and you ask yourself, what would I add to 8 to make 10? The answer being 2. Then you ask yourself, what would I add to 2 to make 4? Once again, you see a number bond here, your total and your 2 add-ins. We encourage the students to circle 8 plus 2 and write down 10 out to the side. This helps them notice what numbers are going together. We then draw a line from the 10 to the 2, and we tell the students to add these two numbers together. 10 plus 2 is 12. Like I said in the beginning, eventually the goal is for them to be able to do this in their head, but for right now, it's very important they understand what they're doing and why they're doing it. Let's look at one more example. In this one, we have 7. We want to be able to make a 10 out of it. We're going to draw our upside down V. We're going to decompose the 5 into two numbers. What would you add to 7 to get 10? 3. What would you add to 3 to get 5? 2. We circle the 7 and the 3 and write down a 10. Draw our line from 10 to 2. Add those two numbers together. 12. This is the strategy called making 10.